Hello, welcome to the MMV vehicle export tutorial. In this video I demonstrate how every configuration of a vehicle model should be. First step is to check the origin point of each object. The turret, cannon, body and wheels models need to be adjusted to avoid rotation or physics errors. Every object must be scaled and rotated to 0. The cannon has the wrong rotation and scale. To adjust it, just apply the transformation and the properties will be set to 0. Time to configure the armor for the vehicle. Only tracked vehicles need armor, other single-wheeled vehicles do not. The armor of a vehicle must consist of several bones, one in each wheel, where each bone must be below the wheel. The bones will make the treadmill follow the movement of the suspension. It is important to keep the name of each bone, as this helps when configuring the vehicle in Unity, always separating left and right. After the armor is ready, select the 2 tracks and lastly the armature, then assign the mats as children of that armature. When the tracks are attached to this armature, it will be possible to move a bone, and the mat will follow the movement. The next step is to adjust the hierarchy of your object. Important that parts of the tower are connected as a cannon and some props. The same is used to connect the tracks to the vehicle body. When exporting the vehicle, make sure that all objects are with the correct origin point, rotation and scale. As it has many objects as children, Blender doesn't work very well to export models to Unity, precisely because the object's transformation is incorrect after being exported. To fix this, it is recommended to use an external plugin made to export FBX models to Unity without breaking the transformation of the children. When importing the model, you will see that the transformation of the children is set to 0. This is very important so that there are no errors in physics or in the position of the conveyor belt. Thanks for watching. In the next video I will show you how to configure the model inside the editor and you will have a working vehicle.